Freestyle Nation. Welcome back, my viewers and my subs. Welcome back. Now we are back with the next video today, guys. I'm back with the next video. I think what I'm calling national dish. If you're Jamaican, you will know. If you're not Jamaican, probably you will know as well. Ackee and saltfish is the national dish of Jamaica. And right about now, I'm about to go in the kitchen and I'm about to prepare the national dish. So you stick and stay and just watch what I go on. Freestyle, you don't know. As I said before, the national dish, ackee and saltfish. Well, I'm about to share with you a recipe for the ackee and saltfish. So right here I have 2 tins of ackee, black pepper, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet, pepper, onion, sweet pepper, garlic, and of course you have to have the saltfish, which is right here. So just shred along because you're chef of the national dish. The first thing you want to do, you want to wash your saltfish and then you're going to put it to cook. I'm going to allow it to cook for probably like about 15 minutes so I could get out the salt out of it. Just stay tuned. Once you got ackee and saltfish, you know you have to go dumpling. Yeah man, banana and the whole works. Real authentic way, you know what I mean? Blend. I'm now getting my season prepped. Onion, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. The seasoning is now prepped, the saltfish is prepped, and the ackee is prepped. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and put the seasoning in the pot. So after your seasoning has been cooked, you're going to enter the saltfish. I'm going to put the saltfish in the pot. I'm going to stir it. And leave it to cook for like probably 3 minutes. Then after, I'll put the ackee in it. So I will now go ahead and put the ackee in the pot. Now after you put the ackee in the pot, you want to put a little black pepper, after you put the black pepper, you're going to stir. Take your time and stir because you don't want your ackee to crush up too much. Yes, freestyle. So this is my ackee and saltfish. Nice and lovely. Yes guys, this is it. Ackee and saltfish, yam banana dumpling. Nice and delicious. Now guys, as always guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, feel free to subscribe and join the movement. I'll catch you in the next one.